Good morning, everyone. As you can see, this is Lenovo V14 G2 model laptop. And recently we installed Windows on it. And we experienced once we installed the Windows, the trackpad, the video drivers, everything is not up to date. And because of this, the trackpad didn't work, the screen was blurry, even other functions was not working properly. So if you do experience same sort of problem, if you recently installed, you should do these updates after you install any Windows. It does not matter, that could be 7 or 10. All right? Because by default, all the drivers are not completed, not pro. So that's why you might have many experience. So you should do once you reinstall the Windows. I'm going to show you in a second. For example, as you can see, the system is getting ready. And also you're going to see my external mouse is connected. So let's say if the trackpad doesn't work, what you should do first, you need to have an external mouse to complete this task. As you can see, that is connected through the USB and trackpad is not working, but with external is fine. So what are you going to do first? First, we need to connect internet. But let's say might be in your machine the Wi-Fi connection is not available, means there is no Wi-Fi signal in there. I mean, you do have internet, but your Wi-Fi module from the laptop doesn't work due to the drivers. So in that case, what you have to do, either you have to have cable connection, because most of the time the wire network connector or controller does have built-in plug and play drivers. Okay, if you don't have, then you have to download it manually from different internet connected laptop to this one. So as you can see, when I clicked on, I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi first, by the way, because my Wi-Fi is working. So next, now I clicked on this PC, right click, I went to manage, then device manager right here, and I can see a big list that you can see all of them comes with yellow explanation mark. It says there is no driver. So what I done is so simple. I click on search for updates. Once I click in there, check for updates while it's connected to the internet. We're going to click here and it's going to take all the drivers that it needs. You don't have to choose it manually. You don't have to download the incorrect drivers. The Windows system will automatically find the right drivers for it and it will download. It might take some times, like let's say it depends on how fast is your internet, how fast is your laptop, and also if this is Windows 10 or 11. So more or less, let's say 30 to 45 minutes, maximum an hour, you might need it. It could be longer. So try to do it when you're at home and when you have no rush, because you can interrupt it. If you do interrupt, that's really not a good idea. So let me know how did you like it after done this. If everything does work, I'll be very happy to answer your question if there is any problem. And thanks for watching.